Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you're watching to the Market Watch review. Bitcoin dropped 4.5% to $21,416, an 18-month low. This extends Monday's 15% drop. The safe haven US dollar rose to a new two-decade high against an assortment of currencies on Monday. This was supported by fears about a global slowdown and bets regarding steep interest rate increases by the US Federal Reserve. The dollar index was at 104.98, just below the two-decade high of 105.29 on Monday. Asia falls with the Asia Dow falling more than 1%. European equities increased almost 1% Tuesday, while U.S. futures fell between 2.8 and 4.7%. Early European sessions saw a drop in the Nasdaq of 4.7%. On a rising dollar, gold prices are at a 4-week low. As tight supply counters China's recession fears, oil prices bounce back. Asian Pacific market. Following a grim U.S. session Monday, Goldman Sachs predicted a 75 basis point Federal Reserve interest rate increase on Wednesday. Clara Ching, J.P. Morgan Asset Management's global market strategist, said that China monetary easing would help to protect the region from some of its financial market losses. She also suggested that the ASEAN economies could be reopened from COVID-19 lockdowns. The SX 200 in Australia, which was back to trading Tuesday after a holiday yesterday afternoon, fell nearly 5%, making it one of the worst performers within the region. After yesterday's drop from over $0.70, the Australian dollar was trading at $0.6939. The Japanese yen traded at $133.333, a stronger level than the 135 levels seen yesterday against the greenback. Market of Europe. European equity shares rose nearly 1% Tuesday after investors bought into distressed shares after a sell-off in the previous session due to concerns over U.S. aggressive interest rate hikes and possible recession. After losing 2.8% in a single month, the euro currency gained 0.2% to $1.0432. The UK unemployment rate rose for the first time since late 2020. Other measures of Britain's hot labour market cooled. This could help ease inflation worries at Bank of England, which will raise rates this week. Sterling jumped above the 1.21700 support level. Market of America. The S&P 500 confirmed Monday that it is in a bearish market since January. However, many components of the benchmark are in much worse shape. Fears that the Federal Reserve will increase interest rates could lead to a worsening recession led Monday's 3.9% decline in the S&P 500. Federal Reserve officials will discuss how their difficult task of cooling down the economy without causing it to spiral into chaos, despite ongoing high inflation and weakening growth on Wednesday. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.